Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at the top 6 cheapest SUVs to buy and maintain that are most reliable. Number 6. Honda HR-V. The Honda HR-V isn't here to make headlines. It's here to get the job done without making a fuss. With prices starting around $24,600 and topping out near $30,000 for fully equipped models, it offers an appealing entry point into the SUV world. No need to stretch your budget into yoga poses. Even better, lightly used models can often be found in the low $20,000, giving buyers a practical path to ownership without compromising on features or peace of mind. Maintenance costs over 10 years sit at an estimated $7,200, roughly $60 a month. That's about the price of your favorite streaming services combined, only this subscription comes with wheels, a steering wheel, and no annoying ads. The odds of a major repair? Just 21% over a decade. That's the kind of low-risk statistic that makes you nod in approval, like finding your phone charger in the first drawer you open. Reliability is where the HR-V truly delivers. Scoring 4 out of 5 in long-term dependability, it ranks near the top of its class. It doesn't promise excitement, it promises that you'll get where you're going, even if the weather, the roads, or life itself doesn't cooperate. Number 5. Subaru Crosstrek. The Subaru Crosstrek feels less like a vehicle and more like a trusty Swiss Army knife, compact, versatile, and always ready for action. With a starting MSRP around $23,000, it delivers off-road chops without requiring you to refinance your life. When it comes to upkeep, the Crosstrek keeps its promises. You're looking at roughly $492 per year on maintenance, about the same as a premium gym membership, minus the awkward locker room encounters. That's notably lower than the industry average of $652, leaving extra cash for trail snacks or weekend getaways. Reliability is where the Crosstrek really earns its stripes. Sporting a stellar 4.5 out of 5 dependability score, it ranks near the top of its class. Owners report an average of just 0.1 visits to the repair shop each year, meaning in theory, you'd only need a mechanic once every decade. And with only a 7% chance of a major repair over 10 years, you can plan adventures instead of repair bills. In short, the Subaru Crosstrek is the no-fuss outdoor companion that won't let you down, whether you're tackling city streets or backcountry trails. Number 4. Chevrolet Trailblazer. The Chevrolet Trailblazer is one of those SUVs that quietly checks all the right boxes. It's stylish, efficient, and priced to make entry into the SUV world feel more like a smart decision than a financial leap. With a starting price around $23,000, it's a great option for those who want capability without the monthly payment anxiety. On the maintenance front, the Trailblazer keeps things simple. Expect to spend around $524 annually on upkeep, oil changes, tire rotations, the usual suspects. That's about $2,700 over 5 years, or roughly the cost of your favorite streaming services if you accidentally forgot to cancel them all at once. Insurance? Not bad either, averaging around $2,150 per year. So, while it's not the absolute cheapest to insure, it's far from outrageous, and you'll still have room in the budget for a decent vacation or two. As for reliability, the Trailblazer holds its own with a solid 4 out of 5 rating. It may not have legendary status, but it earns respect where it counts, keeping repair visits to a minimum and avoiding the kind of surprises that usually come with warning lights and service center invoices. In the end, the Chevrolet Trailblazer is a smart, no-drama SUV that fits into your life without demanding center stage. Number 3. Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona is a compact SUV that proves you don't need to overspend to get a reliable, well-rounded ride. Starting at around $21,000, it's one of the most budget-friendly options in its class. Perfect for first-time buyers, city drivers, or anyone who values practicality. Maintenance costs are predictable and manageable. Over 10 years, you'll spend about $8,200, roughly $821 per year. That's less than what some spend annually on regrettable takeout. And unlike dinner that disappoints, the Kona actually delivers. Reliability is a highlight. With a 76% chance of avoiding major repairs in its first decade, the Kona offers peace of mind that many rivals can't match. It's like your favorite hoodie. comfortable, dependable, and still holding up after years of daily use. While maintenance costs gradually rise, from around $320 in year 1 to about $1,250 by year 10, that's expected for most vehicles. The Kona simply ages with grace. In short, the Hyundai Kona isn't just affordable, it's a steady, low-stress companion that keeps things simple mile after mile. Number 2. Mazda Cx-5. The Mazda Cx-5 is the kind of SUV that manages to be stylish, practical, and reliable, without acting like it's doing you a favor. Priced in the mid-$25,000 range for new models, it's a solid choice for buyers who want upscale design and quality engineering without stepping into luxury pricing territory. When it comes to upkeep, the Cx-5 stays refreshingly reasonable. Over a 10-year span, owners typically spend about $7,600 on maintenance and repairs, roughly $552 less than the average SUV in its class. That's money better spent on weekend trips, new gear, or finally replacing that cracked phone screen you've been ignoring. Annual maintenance runs between $300 and $500, depending on how well you stay on top of things. Skip oil changes too long, and the Cx-5 will gently remind you that cars, like houseplants, don't thrive on neglect. Reliability is another standout feature. With just a 21.9% chance of needing major repairs over the first decade, the Cx-5 is more dependable than most group chats. Owners often report smooth sailing for years with very few unexpected trips to the mechanic. In a crowded field of crossovers, the Mazda Cx-5 rises above with a blend of refined styling, solid reliability, and sensible long-term costs. It's not just a smart buy, it's the SUV that quietly proves you made a great choice every time you turn the key. Number 1. Toyota Corolla Cross. The Toyota Corolla Cross is the kind of SUV that quietly delivers on everything it promises. No drama, no surprises, just smart engineering and everyday practicality. Starting around $23,000, it's a solid entry point for buyers who want SUV flexibility without crossing into luxury-level pricing. Despite its compact footprint, the Corolla Cross doesn't skimp on features. It's roomy enough for daily errands, weekend trips, and everything in between, offering the kind of value that satisfies both spreadsheet enthusiasts and road trip planners alike. Maintenance costs? Practically a dream. At just $195 per year on average, the Corolla Cross is more affordable to maintain than your monthly coffee habit. Over 5 years, you're looking at around $3,700 in total upkeep, well below the norm for this segment. Toyota's reputation for durability holds strong here. With just an 11.8% chance of a major repair over the first 10 years, the Corolla Cross behaves more like a long-lasting appliance than a car, reliable, consistent, and always ready to go when you are. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos.